Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we're up at the boat getting it ready for launch day, which is in about 2 weeks. The first day that we were up there, we were working on sanding and painting the hull. That day, I wasn't in the best mood and wasn't feeling too good, so I only did a little bit of work while my boyfriend did most of the work. So yeah, we started out with working on the hull. So my boyfriend got about 75% of the hull painted, so he has a little bit more to do before it can go in the water, but it is looking so much better, and it's going to be so much better in the water and won't slowly deteriorate, so that's a good task to get done. The next day we ended up putting 2 new back panels on the boat. We had to dry fit them before we could actually screw them in. We also ended up putting foam behind these just to help with the sound, so that way when you're inside the boat you can't hear the water noise, or if you're outside the boat you can't hear the engine noise, so that'll just help a lot.
Not too much on that one. And if you could, after this is...
So I ended up painting these panels with a white appliance epoxy. I've used this before and it's turned out great, and it seems like a great waterproof barrier. I ended up doing 2 coats because that's about all the time I had that day. I am going to have to do at least 1, maybe even 2 more coats of it because the wood was absorbing it in some spots. But so far, even with just the 2 coats, it's looking great. So we still need a silicone around the edges so that way water can't seep in. But it's looking so much better and cleaner and fresher just with those 2 panels. And we have a couple more panels that we still need to do.
take this, please?
So while I was painting, my boyfriend ended up working on the fish finder transducer thing and to get that installed. He was also able to fix a leak in the hydraulic line. That's all we were able to do this weekend while we were there. The first day we got there later than we intended and it was pretty cold and windy. The next day it was kind of raining, so that's why we didn't get the haul finished and we had to go and work on inside things. Also during the week we were able to pick out fabric that we want for the cushions for the dinette. So that's a good task to check off the list. Just another thing to get this boat updated and just looking so much nicer. But yeah, things are finally starting to come together. Unfortunately, the next time my boyfriend goes up to the boat, I won't be able to go with him, but he is going to be putting the carburetors in and putting new mufflers in, doing a lot more like mechanical work. So all of that's going to get finished. And then the following weekend will be launch day. And again, unfortunately, I won't be there because I have prior commitments, but I also kind of don't want to be there because of how everything went the first time we put this boat in the water. If you haven't heard that story, you should go back and watch my first video of the boat series. It was a wild trip, so I would be more comfortable not being there and potentially experiencing all that stuff again. So especially with all the work that's been done on the boat, yeah, I don't want to be a part of the problems this time. I will enjoy it once it gets to the dock. So yeah. So unfortunately there won't be a video of launch day either, but again, I just don't want to deal with the stress. But there will definitely be a bunch of boat videos this summer because we go up there at least once, if not twice a month. So yeah, you'll definitely get to see it. There's definitely a lot more work we're going to do on it this summer. It needs a deep clean. If you couldn't tell by this video, the back deck is pretty gross. The outside, it needs to be power washed. It needs to be waxed. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff we still need to do.